Hey guys, this is Paul with Freedom Vessel. We're here at Seaside Reef in Southern California. We are standing outside a really nice Balboa Motorhome. This is a 1972 Dodge Sportsman. It's got a really nice awning on the top. As you can see, it's extended out. It's got a nice green stripe, tires, tire covers. I'm doing a little walk around here. We've got a bin on the roof, storage bin. I've also got an air conditioning unit up there, and as you can see, this is a really nice classic vintage motorhome. So let's go ahead and take a look inside this beauty. Alright, so as you can see here, we have the really nice layout with the bed, bench seat that forms into a bed. We also have the double bench seat here. This pulls together as a bed. Beautiful big windows, really opens up the scene. We have the water sink, stove, awesome storage. Got the thermostat for the heater unit. All the original curtains are on here, closing up for privacy. This curtain goes over here. Got some curtains up top here that slide across. I've got your table. Goes right in this hole down here. Dometic refrigerator. Let's see, also have the nice bathroom here. So yeah, this is a super nice Balboa motorhome. It's got a rooftop AC unit. And in the front here, you've got your Bluetooth stereo.